She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be an oldie but goodie, but this is actually my first time making these. Something I can remember my mom making for my dad all the time. Today I'm going to be making some good old salmon croquettes. So for today's recipe, these are the ingredients that I am going to be using because these are the ones that I do have on hand. I'm pretty sure you guys are all familiar with a good old salmon croquette, and you can make them 20,000 different ways. But I'm going to go ahead and show you this quick and easy way, and hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. So if you are ready to get things started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you guys have not subscribed yet to the channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start off with one 15-ounce can of salmon. Go ahead and drain that. Now, you can find in the stores the salmon in the can that does not have bones, but in my case, this can of salmon had bones. So go ahead and make sure that you take out the bones carefully if you do have them in the salmon. You could also use fresh salmon as well. That would work beautifully. In this case though, we're kind of doing it the old school way by using the canned salmon. Just make sure all of the bones are out. I also went ahead and removed some of the skin from the salmon as well. Then just go ahead and just take a fork and just kind of break up the salmon meat. We're going to go ahead and saute our vegetables first. So I've got a little bit of diced bell green pepper, along with some orange bell pepper. If you have red bell pepper, that's even better, but I only had the orange. Some celery, and then also some diced onions. Stir that all together and let that saute for about 3 to 5 minutes until the onions are translucent in color and it looks like they have pretty much wilted down a little bit, all of the vegetables. Go ahead and also season your vegetables, a little salt, a little pepper. Once the vegetables are finished sauteing, just go ahead and set them aside so that they can cool. So then we're going to go ahead and with our salmon meat, we're going to add 1 egg that's slightly beaten, 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, and then go ahead and add back the vegetables, 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay, and then some salt and pepper to taste. So go ahead and mix that all together. And then go ahead and add your breadcrumbs, which is pretty much 1/4 a cup of the dried breadcrumbs. You can use crackers. I know some people, my mother used to, you can use crackers or panko breadcrumbs, whatever, at least just some kind of breadcrumb. These are plain breadcrumbs that I am using. Alright, and here are the patties. Go ahead and maybe let them set for about 5 minutes or so if you'd like, to let them firm up some more. And we're going to go ahead and fry them. And here I just have some vegetable oil and some butter. I went ahead and put a little bit of the breadcrumb mixture on top of the patties just to let it crisp up just a little. So you're going to go ahead and let those saute on medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Then go ahead and flip them over very carefully. Cook them for another 3 to 5 minutes on this side. Okay guys, so these are the salmon croquettes. They turned out wonderful. The golden crispy outside of the salmon croquettes turned out well. The inside filling was still flavorful and moist. You could taste the salmon throughout each cake. Definitely give this one a try guys if you haven't already. Hopefully you did enjoy today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love a good salmon croquette. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.